Well, we've reached the point in this project, viewers, where it's time to reassemble the movement. I have all the parts that are going to be loaded into the back plate placed there. I have the strike train roughly timed, although that will require a final timing after assembly. I have the escape wheel in the front plate. The fly fan is left out until the timing is done, and of course the verge doesn't go back on until after everything's back together. I'm going to now reassemble this movement off of camera, and I will come back and we will look at setting the strike side adjustments, the timing adjustments that need to be done, and after that the movement will be ready to be lubricated and mounted in the case and ran, and then the timing adjustments can be done, and then after a period of time I will put the dial back on the clock when that's completed. So sorry, if you want to see what this kind of process looks like, look at my Seth Thomas OG clock video series where I do reassemble the movement on camera. It's going to take a little bit longer to do this particular movement, and I don't think I have that much time left on the camera for videoing. I estimate probably about 15 to 20 minutes time required to get everything together enough that I can put the pillar nuts on. And that does not include making adjustments for the strike. Like I said, I will video that. So please tune in for that video, and thank you for watching.